Cryptocurrency volatility is in full swing ahead of the Federal Reserve announcement on interest rates. Now, everybody expects them to cut interest rates, and I believe Jerome Powell would be a darn fool if he did not. So we're going to sit here, we're going to watch and see how that plays out. But as you can see, prices are looking very good over the last week. They're looking very good over the last 24 hours. And we're sitting here at a level of 50 neutrality. Now, with the interest rate decision up ahead, a lot of people are extremely excited about Dogecoin because Dogecoin is going to be getting an ETF. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, XRP and Dogecoin ETFs to launch this week in another altcoin milestone. It says Rex Osprey has secured the SEC clearance to list the first US ETFs tied to XRP and Dogecoin using a streamlined 1940 Act process that bypasses spot ETF hurdles. It says 2 new altcoin exchange-traded funds are expected to launch in the United States this week, tracking XRP and Dogecoin as regulators warm up to cryptocurrency investment products. The Rex Osprey XRP ETF is coming this week, the fund issuer said on Monday. Trading under ticker XRPR, it will be the first U.S. ETF to deliver investor spot exposure to the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. And Rex Osprey have cleared the Securities and Exchange Commission's 75-day review window, which are expected to begin trading on Friday, barring any further delays, which are not expected. The product is set to launch under the Investment Company Act of 1940, which provides a simpler approval path to the Securities Act of 1933 used for spot Bitcoin ETFs. Now, unlike products that directly hold the underlying asset, this 1940 Act structure allows the fund to launch automatically 75 days after filing, unless the SEC objects. This will be another good litmus test for the 33 Act spot XRP ETF demand, Novidia's president Nate Garcia said, adding that futures-based XRP ETFs are already nearing $1 billion in assets. Now, the Dogecoin fund launch is imminent. It says the XRP fund is not the only altcoin ETF slated for launch this week. As of right now, Doge ETF, DOJE, is slated for launch on Thursday, said Bloomberg ETF expert. The Rex Osprey Dogecoin ETF also gained approval under the 1940 Act, a framework typically used for mutual funds and diversified ETFs. It will also be the first meme coin ETF in the United States. Guys, barring any unforeseen circumstances, this is going to be huge. Now, I could sit here and speculate all day long as to what that means for Dogecoin and so on, but as you can see here, Dogecoin is doing phenomenally, testing this resistance level around 25 cents to 30 cents per coin. A lot of analysts believe an ETF could drive the price all the way up to $1 or more. But here's what I think is happening. We are finally embracing cryptocurrency the way that we should. We are finally seeing meme coins and major altcoins getting ETFs, getting institutional exposure, and getting into the mainstream the way that they deserve. And if they continue on this way, we could be seeing a massive explosion, not just over the coming weeks, but over the coming months and over the coming years as well. I believe that we are still early in this industry. We are witnessing in real time sort of the combination of traditional finance and cryptocurrency finance. This is just the beginning. A lot of people are going to make a lot of money. Now, I am continuing to buy. I do own Dogecoin on the KSX exchange. You guys got a link for that down in the description if you want it. But do not miss out on opportunities like Maxi Doge. If Dogecoin is soaring higher, let's just think about it for a second. All of the Dogecoins are going to be getting exposure and excitement surrounding them. Now, you guys got a link for Maxi Doge down in the description below. It's going to pull up this website right here. From there, you guys can learn everything that you need to learn about Maxi Doge. And if you're interested in connecting your wallet and going through the process of grabbing some, you can absolutely do that. It's extremely easy. But with Maxi Doge and with this Dogecoin ETF on the horizon, a lot of people are expecting a lot of gains. I am one of them. So I am participating. I'm going out there and buying everything that I possibly can. I want to know what you guys are buying. And one of the best places to hold cryptocurrencies like this is on Best Wallet. You guys got a link to download Best Wallet in the description below. It is absolutely free. 3.9 stars, over 500,000 downloads on Google, 500,000 plus downloads on the Apple App Store as well. A lot of people love this wallet. Let me know what you think of it. Even if you want to download it just to test it out, let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.